So Eliza and Gemma, you're doing a spoon making workshop with Edward at Swainswick Explorers, and thank you for letting me come and video you. So it would be really nice to hear how you ended up being here, Eliza, coming to a spoon making workshop. What led that to happen?
So I won it as a prize, or I chose it as a prize in the School Fete. So it's one of the options.
Brilliant.
My raffle ticket won it, and then I went there and I chose it. And then I chose to ask Gemma, my friend, to come with me. And that was last year. We did the course and we made a spatula.
Great.
And then this year, by pure serendipity, I won it again. I won a raffle again and chose it again because it was so enjoyable. So we came back to do another one.
Brilliant. And so last time you did a spatula, this time you're doing a
spoon.
Yeah, so it graduated to spoons.
Yes.
And Edward is the spoon teacher.
Hi.
And it has an example. Oh,
The blank
spoon ready to be carved. And Gemma, how's it? So did you come both times?
Yes, and we knew Edward because our children went to Explorers and Young Explorers, so we always used to be a bit envious that they got all to do all the fun stuff. So we come on a Saturday and they're not here.
Yeah.
Have a bit of Ed time.
Yeah.
Brilliant. And the spoons are looking fantastic.
Thank you.
And they're made from what wood? You were telling me?
Tulip wood.
So tulip tree
tree,
tree
So
wood.
I've never heard of.
No, tulip tree neither.
So is this a particularly good wood to use for spoon making?
Well, it's lovely and white, and it's what's available in the garden. We cut it the other day.
Lovely. So it's local,
It's in the corner down there.
fantastic, and kind of seasonal in its own way.
Yeah, so it was cut last week, so it's nice and green, so easy to work.
And so what will happen? It's easy to work. Will that mean that it kind of like as it dries, it changes shape?
It won't change shape because we carved off the pith, so
Okay.
something technical. So it will just dry, and we'll put some glue on the end, PVA glue, to stop it drying really quickly.
Right.
And then after a couple of weeks, it'll be fine.
Brilliant. And Eliza, have you used your spatula?
I have. I use my spatula daily.
Fantastic.
I'm very proud of it.
And you were talking about this possibly being a tasting spoon.
I think it might be. I have to test it, but I was hoping it might be a sauce tasting spoon, so you dip it in and then try it when you're
Nice.
cooking.
Or maybe next year, you can tell us how it went.
Exactly.
Brilliant. And have you got a specific aim for your spoon, Gemma?
No, I'm just going to try and pretend I'm like Heidi and I eat out of a wooden bowl with my wooden spoon. It's always been my dream.
Lovely. Well, thank you very much. I hope you have had and continue to have a lovely time.
Thank you.
Thank you.